Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 18, Homework. Problem number 1. Show one way to solve each problem. Express sums and differences as a mixed number when possible. So in this one, we're only going to show one way to solve the problem, and we're going to express our answers in mixed numbers when possible. Use number bonds when it helps you. Part A is partially completed. So if we look at A, we have 1/3 plus 2/3 plus 1/3. Looks to me that they combined 1/3 and 2/3 to make your 3/3. Oops. And then they added on the 1/3. But 3/3 is the same thing as 1, so they just called 3/3 1, and 1 plus 1/3 is 1 and 1/3. So let's look at letter B. There is a lot of ways you can solve this problem, so pick whichever way that you would like to. I'm going to solve this problem similar to how they did in part A, and I think I'm going to combine 5/8 and 3/8 because that makes 8/8. Then I'm going to add the 5/8 back on. Well, I know 8/8 is the same thing as 1. So 5/8 plus 1 is 1 and 5/8. Pick whichever method you want. I'm just showing you one of them. Looking at letter C, I have 4/6 plus 6/6 plus 1/6. I think I'm going to combine my 4/6 and my 1/6 because I know 6/6 is 1. I'm going to go ahead and call that 1. So 6/6 becomes 1 right here. And 4/6 plus 1/6 is 5/6. And 1 plus 5/6 is 1 and 5/6. Next one I'm going to do is letter E. 5/7 plus 1/7 plus 4/7. On this one I'm just going to add them all together. I have 7s. They have a like unit of 7s. 5 plus 1 plus 4 makes 10. And this one is going to need to be decomposed using a number bond. So we have 7/7 and 3/7. 7/7 makes 1 and 3/7. I'm going to look at letter H, so we work out a subtraction problem as well. Letter H, letter G. Letter G says 1 minus 3/10 minus 10/10. Well, my 1 needs to be in a like unit of tenths. So if I take 1 and I change it into like units of tenths, 1 whole would look like 10/10 minus 3/10 minus 1/10. And I'm just going to subtract it straight across. 10/10 minus 3/10 makes 7/10. And I'm going to subtract away 1/10, which equals 6/10. Now the last one I'm going to do is letter H. 1 3/5 minus 4/5 minus 1/5. I'm going to take 1 3/5 and I'm going to break this down to 5/5 and 3/5. Well, 5/5 and 3/5 makes 8/5. So now I'm going to look at it as 8/5 minus 4/5 minus 1/5. Eight-fifths minus 4/5 makes 4/5. Minus off that 1/5. And altogether, this is going to equal 3/5.